Hi, it's Mark from Training Spark. In this video, we're going to show you how you can browser test your LearnDash LMS. Now, browser testing might be something that you associate with something like web design. But if you think about it, you've got an online course platform here and some online courses. And like a website, it could be accessed on a variety of different devices, big or small, iPhones, Androids, tablets, desktops, and anywhere in between, and every one of those will have a different screen size and a different way of displaying the content. So what you want to do is try your content and your platform on a variety of different devices to make sure you've got all your bases covered and everything works as it should. Obviously, you could find a load of different devices and test them all manually, and that is probably the best way, but also the most time-consuming and likely expensive way to do things. But there are some tools available, like the one I'm going to show you, that help with this and make the process a lot more simple. So what we're going to use for this is a website called LambdaTest.com. So that's LambdaTest.com. And it does have a paid offering, but it does also have a free tier as well that does let you do some basic browser testing. So what you would do is firstly sign up and enter your name and email address. And you would enter a phone number here. I'm just going to make one up. And we've got to free sign up. That will send you an email which you'll need to verify. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. And once you've created your account, you'll end up on a page like this that allows you to see which different types of testing you can do. It will try and sell you an upgrade, but what we're going to do first is just go to this real-time testing, because this is the bit of the site that you can use to test your platform on different browsers. What we see at the top is that as part of your free tier of subscription, you get three testing sessions here. So let's ignore that for now and just scroll down, and we can see all the different types of devices and things that we can have here. So we've got desktop with all of these different browsers, from Chrome down to Yandex and all the different versions within it and all the different operating systems underneath. You can also click on mobile here and separate off like all the Android ones. So you've got Samsung, Google, OnePlus, Microsoft, as well as iPhone and iPad here. And there is like a history of what you have tested. So what we'll do first is just click on maybe iPhone 13, for example, and we can say what iOS we want, and we can say what browser we want. So it'll have sort of a default setup here saying iOS 16.2 and which browser you want. And then all you do is enter the URL of your platform, which I'm just going to copy here and paste. So sandbox.training-spark.com. And then we click start. And what this will do is within your browser start setting this up and creating you a profile to test your learning platform with. So this should take a few seconds. And then what we have here is an iPhone, and it's just loading our website at the moment. Right, here we go. So we've got our iPhone here, iOS 16.2 and iPhone 13, and we're basically looking at our platform as if we were on that phone. And this is a much more accurate way of doing things than, say, resizing your screen in your browser or something like that. You are almost looking at this on that device, and you can click through it and see just how it's displaying on that device. So it will occasionally try and sell you upgrades and things like that. So we've tested that on an iPad there. Maybe I'll just do a Samsung Galaxy S21 and then just click start here. switch to a different browser. And again, this will just load our platform, and we can see this now on an Android, and we can see that it's slightly different. The screen layout's different, and broadly speaking, from the perspective of this site, which is built in Astra, things are looking quite good on mobile. But if you did spot any potential issues, then you can address them based on the different devices. So I hope you found that video useful. It's definitely a great way to test your platform quickly on lots of different devices. And if you did like the video, please give it a like. And if you'd like to see more like this, please subscribe to the Training Spark YouTube channel.